Here I've got OUKITEL WP2 and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to the accounts. And as you can see, this phone is connected with HardReset.Info 1 account. Smoothly click on it if you'd like to remove it and then select the remove account tab. Just like that, confirm that you would like to remove the account with all the contents by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see it disappeared, so you can use your device without this account included. Then if you'd like to add some other account or smoothly add it one more time, go to the settings, pick accounts, which are here, click on add account, choose Google because we would like to log in with Google account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise it will be not possible to log in with your Google account. And now enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. So here it's mine, then click on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And here it is. So now smoothly click on next. And it's time to come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you agree with all the above conditions, click on I agree. And this is it. As you can see here, you have to tap on accept to confirm your selection of Google services. And now your device is connected with this Google account. So that's basically all. This is how you can add and remove Google account to your OUKITEL WP2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.